My name is Emily Ayers. I'm 25 years old, and I'm so excited to share that I've officially paid off all of my student loan debt. One of the ways that I was able to successfully pay down my student loan is that I was really clear and dedicated about what it was I was trying to do. For me, that meant that I was creating a monthly budget for myself that I had to stick to. And anything I had left over, a small portion would go to savings, and the rest I would throw at my debt. Another thing that really helped me to pay down my student loan was that I created a support system around me, and I made sure that everyone knew what I was doing, and I think that could help you too. Since paying off my student loan and becoming debt-free, it has been such an amazing feeling. I feel accomplished, I'm proud of myself. I want to share my story with other people so that you know it's possible. I am just like you, I was just like you, and as hard as it can seem sometimes, just stick to it, set that budget for yourself, set realistic goals, create a group around you that's going to really hold you accountable and lift you up through this process, and I know that it will be possible for you as well.